Hi, I'm Andy from Heritage Parts Centre. Today we're going to be looking at this twin carburettor kit for the Mark 1, Mark 2 Golf 1600 to 1800 and derivatives as well. If you've got a Jetta or a Scirocco, it should fit that as well. These are twin 40s, so we've got two carburettors here. The kit also comes with an inlet manifold, which has got a takeoff there for the servo. You've got an option to run cones or air filters, so up to you on that one. This is probably better for the road. You've got a linkage here for your throttle cable, which will sit on the top there. There's a connecting bar, there's some bits there for the choke. You've got an insulated washer, which will sit between the carburettor and the inlet manifold, basically just to stop heat going through. We've got cables, we've got hardware, we've got gaskets there. If you're looking to get a bit more noise out of your engine, if you're looking to go a little bit quicker, then yeah, this is a cool way to do it. So yeah, here you go.